Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. FOMC is like at 1 p.m. Central. Just tap the premium. Nasty little rejection from premium. Let's see what's gonna happen. We close below the high. Nice. We're in profits on those NQ sales. We need to break that 5-minute low right here. See if we can get that break. That'll be nice. ES letting go. Nice, very nice. We need that 15-minute break on ES. There we go. NQ sales are up, guys. Moving up stops, break even. Very nice move so far. Nice, nice. 13 points here in those NQ sales. We need to break the low now and then we can go lower. ES let go, then that'll be good. ES is at the low. Let's see if it breaks it. Nice, thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to be done early. I don't want to be here for FOMC. Just want to be done and call it a day. Don't even want to look back at FOMC. Just want to be done. So let's see if we keep going. Next, we're going to target weekly open, and then we'll target London lows down to 19,448. Yes, looks like it's trying to break down. Nvda is rejecting. We need Nvda to break that 114.57, at least on the 15-minute, and that'll be great. That'll be amazing. Yeah, ES is weak here compared to NQ. So it's 8 is NAS or NQ lagging behind? I believe so. Good little 17 points here. I'll remove some more at the weekly open. Come on, baby. So ES at the 15-minute low, NQ's at the 5-minute low. In the next minute, we need NQ or NAS to break below this low. I'm using NAS 100 on the chart today because the NQ ones were kind of off. So I'm going to use NAS 100 today. Nice. There we go, guys. 20 points on these NQ cells. Very nice. Very nice. 20 points. Make sure to trim some and move up stops as weekly open was the next TP. Nice, guys. Let's go, baby. Give me my money. Let's go. Hell yeah. Nice. 30 points here. Very nice. I'm going to trim some off. Very nice. Nice, guys. Nice. See? Nice, 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 nice. Trim some more here. Fuck yeah. 45 points here, guys. Moving up stops as well. 20 points in profit. My stops. Very nice, guys. People were panicking. Never closed above our stop loss. What was our stop loss? 15-minute close above. Look how it never closed above. This is why I don't use, you know, numbers or dollar signs to stop me out. I use levels. 15-minute above here was my stop. Why? Because this was your 15-minute breaker here, right? Until we close above that breaker, I'm still in. Oh my god, let's go. 50 points here, guys. Taking some more NQ off here. Nice. I'm down to 3 contracts now. I'm gonna let those ride all day. Maybe FOMC gives us a good move. But easy work there. Good shit, James. Look at you. You came back, bro. Great job. Proud of you. You should already have passed that, no, James? I think I'm done, guys. I want to be done for the day. I do not want to be here for FOMC, if I'm being honest. I'm still holding Nvda as well. I'm still holding some runners on NQ. There's no reason to try to be here for FOMC when we just made our money, right? People are going to want to be here for FOMC or people that want to gamble. I don't want to gamble today. I want to make money, just make my money and get the hell out of here. And that's it. We're done in 6 minutes. That's it. You need 300? Oh, damn. Well, I thought you were green yesterday, James. I had 12 Tangina. Nice. Nvda needs to break that 114.57. If it breaks that low, we start sliding. Microsoft from yesterday, I gave you guys a top of Microsoft, and look at this. Very nice, man. Did anyone tell those Microsoft puts yesterday? That was a beautiful setup. Very nice move here. Yeah, you got this. Yeah, just wait for another setup, James. Don't try to pass it today if there's no setup. Apple, wow, what a pop on Apple. QQQ. Very nice, very nice. So we got the 5-minute shift. So do you guys understand why I took that trade? Let me see some ones or twos if you guys want me to explain. If you guys don't understand why I took that trade, just put some twos in the chat and I'll go over why I took that trade. We took it in pre-market and it made money right now. So one thing I did notice, and this is what I'm saying, let me actually open here. So one thing I noticed last night, and the reason I switched over to them and NAS. So on NQ, the hourly actually held here. Sorry, not this one. Which one was I using? NQU. I was using this one, NQU, right? So I did see that the hourly barely closed below it, right? Barely. But then I headed over to NAS 100, which is this one right here, and I saw the hourly held, but we did have an internal break, right? So we knew we broke internally on this low, which targets what? The next low, which is your external low, right? 55 points on these NQ cells. So what I did was draw my fibs from my hourly order block to my swing low, and I just drew my fibs. As you can see, it tapped the premium. My premium was already marked up, which is right here. All right, we're rejected. I had took the first initial position at our optimal level. So the reason I took it on the optimal as well was because I did see that we broke below this low on the 15, as you can see. And what happened, it came back and retested the optimal level. We missed this last night. It was like at 4 in the morning, so no one's going to catch that. Hold on. Let me move up my stops here, guys. But we're deep in profits. About 60 points on these NQ cells. 1 second. Let me just continue explaining, but because y'all say I don't type out the alert only on live, but I'm gonna type it out in live for you guys. Anyways, so yeah, so 15-minute, right, had to shift down, so still bearish to me on the hourly, still bearish to me on a 15-minute till we broke above the high, right? So I did see that we were in a 15-minute breaker as well, and I did see we had room to the hourly premium. So knowing that we switched bearish on the 15-minute, even on the 30-minute here, and still we're bearish on the hourly, for me it was like, okay, this high here, this premium level should act as a rejection zone, and the breaker should not close above it, because a breaker should act if it was a bullish order block. So old support turns to new resistance, right? So that is why I took it. It becomes a bearish breaker, and as you can see, we never closed above it, never closed above the level that I had marked up here, right? 15.22. If you guys look at the alerts, gave you the exact level. Rejected. The reason I scaled in now, the reason I scaled in was because I did see on the 1 minute we did shift below. Where was it? We did shift below in the 1 minute, retested. So I added more on the retest up here, and then I added my last position at the premium because I was like, there's no way we're not gonna reject off the premium, especially knowing the hourly is bearish, right? So that's why I took that setup there, guys. Hopefully you guys understand. I know maybe some of you guys were wondering why I took a pre-market, but that's why I love having the larger time frame levels all marked up already, because all I do, and you guys know this, I just have my alerts set. I wait for my alerts to hit and boom, execute. All right, that's all you need to do. There's no reason for us to sit here and wait around. When if our levels hit, our levels hit, and just execute. Right? But very nice, guys. Very nice trade here. 67 points. You should just be in runners, and that's pretty much it. Do you have the 15-minute up when you're trading NQ and then check the small time frames, or the other way? So I usually stay 5-minute, 15-minute, because like I said, I already have my larger time frame levels marked up, as you can see, right? Daily levels, hourly levels, 4-hour levels. So for me, the reason I mark those up is just so I can know why those levels are there and what time frame they are. Now I go down to the 15-minute and the 5-minute to find my entry, right? Because if I'm gonna take a position, do I want to wait a whole hour or 4 hours to know if I'm right or wrong? No, of course not. I prefer waiting 5 or 15 minutes to know if I'm right or wrong. In this situation, we knew we're bearish on the hourly. Am I going to wait a whole hourly to close above here to know if I'm right or wrong? No, of course not. That's over 200 points, right? So what I did, I waited at 15 minutes above this high for me, right? Because if it's a 15-minute internal break to the upside, what is that going to target now that it breaks your internal highs? It will target your external highs now, right? So simple as that. I just go smaller time frame to find my entries, and that's pretty much it. Hope that makes sense, guys. But let's see if I can drop the fibs right. Waiting for this 15-minute, this 5-minute fib here. We just tapped the 50% here. Yeah, no worries. If you were at the wrong time, but as long as you made money, right? So that's all that matters. Everyone made money. So honestly, guys, I personally want to be done for the day. As you can see, it looks like ES might hold the low, which you got 3 minutes left. You got this 15-minute low on NAS over here. The 5-minute did break, as we can see. It's retesting, but we need this break to happen as well. It is retesting 50%. Can it work? Yes. Do I want to, mess around and find out today, especially with FOMC? No. I'm pretty happy with what I made so far, and I mean, I'm okay with that. I prefer just letting the FOMC do what it wants to do. If it wants to let my runners run and get a bigger profit, cool. All right. I'm gonna let my Nvidas run too. I'm still holding runners. I really strongly believe we break that 114.57 low today. If we do break that 114.57 low, I know you guys always call me crazy with my crazy levels, and they always end up hitting. But if that low breaks, guys, I see absolutely no reason why we don't target 107.47. After that, 104.72. Right. So a long way down for Nvidia if it decides to break down today with FOMC. As of right now, I really don't care what happens anymore. We made our money and we can enjoy our day. It's probably, we haven't been this early in a while. But you guys have any other questions? I think I'm gonna log off in like maybe 2 more minutes. But if you guys have questions, ask me questions. That was my goal today, was come in, make you guys money, and get the hell out. Don't want to be here all day. Not for FOMC, man. It is not fun. I mean, 70 points is 70 points. That's a big move. I've told you guys, there's people that trade in Q and are happy with 10, 20 points. I think you guys are so used to 50 plus points, 100 points, and you guys lose, the vision or the picture of how much 20 points actually is. Which is nothing wrong with that, but I'm trying to be realistic with you guys now, set realistic expectations, because these couple months are harder, slower price action, so you'll have to start getting used to that, 20 points, 30 point type of moves, okay? Just want to prepare you guys. I always want the best for you guys and just like preparing you guys, so yeah. But let me actually edit this. And if you want to take sells off this 5-minute break over here, then you'll risk that 5-minute close above the highs, which is I wouldn't say horrible, but 95 to 25. What is that? About 30 points. Yes, that was Brenner. Yep. Unfortunately, man. So you guys gotta get used to the quick moves and securing profits. So far, it's respecting that 50% there. These NQ or NAS. ES held a 15-minute low, so yeah, crazy day ahead. So if you guys pretty much look at it, this is your range right now until FOMC. So what they can do all day long, if you decide to trade this, just keep you within this range. Either break one of those and just keep chopping, right? Like some of you guys, excuse my language, I'm about to say, but some of you guys fucked around and found out yesterday, right? Some of you guys, what did I say in the morning? We made our money. We got the hell out. I told you guys, the market's just stuck in a range. Some of you guys lost money, right? You got greedy, and hopefully you guys learned a lesson there. But when this day is that you need to get the hell out the market, get the hell out the market, man. Don't trade all day. Yeah, bro. No worries. Yeah, bro. For sure. Like right now, who's happy they caught 70 points? Be honest. Who's happy so far this morning? Who made some money? Okay. There's no excuses because it wasn't on live. It was alerted. So there's absolutely no excuses for anyone. There you go. See, Callie, you're happy, but you're looking for another play. That contradicts what you just said. That you're happy. Callie's funny, man. Callie's a funny character. But alright, guys, I'm out for the day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see what FOMC does, how FOMC sets it up for tomorrow, and then we'll try to find a setup into tomorrow. Alright, let me end it on here first, and then